What's going on, YouTube? Jaytime back with another banger. Today we're going to show you guys how to clean your computer, get rid of adware. I've been having lots of posts on my Discord, link in the description. Yeah, so let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube? Jaytime back at it again. Let's get right into it. This is how you clean your PC. Basically, what you're going to want to do is there's going to be 3 links in the description. It's going to have all these programs right here. Go and download them real quick. They're all free. They're all amazing. So first thing you want to run is CC Cleaner. Okay, or ccleaner, sorry. Basically what you want to do with this is they have a bunch of different stuff here, but really all that matters is the registry. So the registry cleaner, we want to scan for issues. That's the first thing we want to do. Now, if you're coming up with, I've seen buddies' computers have hundreds of registry errors, and that can really slow your computer down. So as you can see, I have 3. Basically, review, you want to click no, and then fix all selected issues. Now, I usually like to run this twice, just because, as you can see, sometimes it doesn't miss one, or it doesn't properly get rid of one. So I just like to run it until I have no issues anymore, and then you know that you're good to move on. See, sometimes you will have one, and this just isn't going to delete because it's a false negative, which is fine. So you can run the custom clean, the health check if you want, but what you really need to do is run the registry cleaner every week, especially in 2022 with the Discord scams and all that kind of stuff. You want to make sure you're locked in on that. All right, so next you want to run ADW Cleaner, okay, or right here, ADW Cleaner. Perfect. So once this is up, as you can see, I had 11 detections a day ago. Basically, I downloaded something I shouldn't have. So basically, scan now. And no items were detected on your system. Very quick scan, but very essential scan. So this will, if it comes up you have infected files, you're going to want to run the basic repair. I don't need to because it's good to go. So now that you have those 2 done, you want to run Malwarebytes. This is a very good free antivirus program. Love this program, always have. And then you just want to click the scan. This scan might take a little bit longer, than normal, but or the other 2 did. But once this is done, it will come up with any threats detected, any pups detected, any pumps detected. So what I'm going to show you guys now is your power options. So if you go to your power options here, you go additional power setting options. You want to make sure you're on ultimate performance, okay? If you don't have that selection, you want to show additional plans and go high performance, okay? You might be on balanced or power saver, and that's really going to eat up, some of your FPS playing games, stuff like that. So this is a really good trick to know is your power settings. And there you go. So no detected, no pups, no anything, no detections. We're good to go. And that is honestly the only 3 programs I have used for years on my computer, and I've never had issues. It's always found everything. And yeah, I think if you guys just have these 3 on your computer, you make a little folder, you'll never have issues again with your computer slowing down or, viruses or anything like that. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a link in the description to the Discord. If you did enjoy this video, if this did help you out, please subscribe and like. It helps me out a ton. And yeah, have a great rest of your Friday.